Okay, I'm going to cover doing the Google Analytics reports for the websites. So first we'll open up one of the analytics reports, and I sent you all of them that we do each month. Right now there's going to be more. We'll use Freedom Firewood. So I'll open up this last month's. What you'll do on these documents, like for April at the end of this month, we do the reports on the 1st, anytime between the 1st and the 5th of the month. So the next one will be for April. Just create another row, rename this to April 2014, change that to April 2014. Then you'll just add in there April 2014. There's a lot to analytics. You don't need to know how to operate every bit of it to do these reports. So you'll go to that link I gave you. It's google.com/analytics. Log in with the Maximum Web Presence at Gmail login. And then you'll see all of the accounts listed right here. To get to the report, just click on the account, all website data. Now, for the April report on this, or whatever month we're on, you'll just click on the whole month right there and it'll highlight everything. So what we report to the customers is the page views, users, and sessions. This has changed. It used to be called visitors and visits instead of users and sessions. So you'll grab these numbers up here. For the page views, just list that. It would be 897. Users will be the visitors, and the visits will be sessions. And after you enter that information in, you'll do the sources and keywords. To get that, you go down here, click on acquisition, click on all traffic, scroll down. You're going to list the first however many I've got in here, so the first 8 sources you'll list with the amount of visits. So that first one will be Google Organic. You can just write it in. It's already in these. So you'll just write all those top sources in and then provide this number next to each one of them. And for the keywords, click on keywords and click on organic. Not provided is because Google has a privacy thing now where people can browse privately. So people in that browsing mode, you can't find out what the keyword is. Most likely it's for some of the top keywords up here, but there's just no way to tell, but I still report that. Not provided, then the number of visits. Freedom Firewood would be number 2 on this month. So after the sources and keywords, the bounce rate, you'll find that from up here. All of those little numbers that you see down here, you're going to find in this row. The bounce rate would be 44.71%. Bounce rate means the percentage of visitors that just go to the home page and then bounce back off. So anything under 50% is good. You just enter in the new bounce rate, average visit duration. You'll find right here. So you just enter that in. New visitors is going to be new sessions. They just recently changed all the terminology. Pages per visit 4.22, and so that'll be pages per session. So after that report, you just go to Save As, and then all you'll really need to change in these files is the month. Just save.